When you are tackling a painting or renovation project, protecting your floors and furniture should be simple, reliable, and affordable. This heavy-duty plastic drop cloth is designed to give you confidence from the moment you roll it out. Made from premium-grade 100% new polyethylene, it delivers dependable strength while remaining fully recyclable, making it a practical choice for both your home and the environment. With a thickness of 3 mm, this plastic sheeting is strong enough for most surface protection needs during painting and remodeling. It creates a solid barrier against paint spills, splashes, water, and dust, helping keep floors, carpets, and furniture clean and damage-free. The waterproof and tear-resistant construction means you can focus on your project without worrying about leaks or unexpected rips. The generous 9 feet by 12 feet size provides excellent coverage for bedrooms, living areas, or workspaces. Its one-piece construction allows for quick and easy spreading, saving time during setup and reducing the need for overlapping sheets. Whether you are painting walls, ceilings, or trim, the large surface area helps ensure complete protection where you need it most. Beyond painting, this versatile plastic cover works well as a vapor barrier or a general-purpose protective sheet. It can be used during cleaning, storage, or other household projects where dust and moisture control matter. Its durability makes it ideal for single projects or short-term use, offering great value without the higher cost of premium canvas drop cloths. If you want a reliable, budget-friendly solution that gets the job done without cutting corners, this heavy-duty plastic drop cloth is a smart choice. Click the product link in the video description to check current availability and pricing. Subscribe to the channel for more practical home improvement tools, honest reviews, and cost-effective project solutions.